In this unit, we're going to see the solid-state storage technology. Solid-state storage is a general name we use for an electronic permanent storage without moving parts. So it can be used to name several different technologies, but most of the devices found in the market are based on non-volatile NAND-based flash memory. It's able to retain data without power, and it can be read and written in blocks. The main problem of flash memory is that it has a maximum number of rewrite cycles, but nowadays technology has made the numbers big enough to be forgotten by the consumer of USB pen drives and memory cards. So a USB pen drive, as we see here on the slide, it uses flash memory with an integrated USB connection that can be plugged into your computer. So these have been replacing diskettes and CDs as removable media, and everybody nowadays uses USB pen drives. And they're increasing in size, and we can find already USB pens between 8 gigabytes and 128. Memory cards are also based on flash memory. We see a couple of here on the slide, but they are sealed in a plastic cartridge. And actually the main problem that memory cards have is that there is an absence of a unique standard, and therefore there exists multiple sizes and shapes are used, and nobody gets to agree on the standard that will be used. Although it seems that the secure digital format, SD cards, are going to be the winner of this format war. So the capacity of memory cards have the same range as USB pens, and they're used in digital cameras and as an expansion of portable electronic devices. And if you want to use them for high definition video, for example, or in a high-end photo camera, you have to pay attention not only to the capacity it has, but also to the transfer speed, because not all memory cards are suitable for all uses. So the same type of memory is used internally as the main storage in tablets, smartphones, e-books and video games. And in general, in any electronic device, you will find this type of memory. So at the cost of this technology, the cost is decreasing, and larger devices are getting more and more affordable, and it's being used to manufacture drivers that are replacing hard disks, especially in laptops actually. And these are called disks, but actually they contain no disk. So because solid-state drivers seem to be a more appropriate name than disk, because they don't contain a disk. The main advantage is the speed in reading operations that you can notice clearly when you boot a computer or launch a program. And so installing SSD in your old desktop computer or laptop as the system disk, it can give a significant speed boost to your computer. And besides the absence of moving parts, it's a very robust device. And since they're random access devices, in which the reading speed does not depend on the location of the information, in solid-state drives, the defragmentation process is not necessary. And as they have a maximum number of write cycles, it's not even recommended to do defragmentation. An SSD maximum number of write cycles is quite high, but it could become a problem in disks that are accessed a lot and that are used for several years, as the ones you install, for example, in servers. So we have seen some solid-state storage devices technology.